I am smart. I am intelligent. I am knowing. I am wise. I am wonderful. I am on my path. I am guided by my intuition. I am guided by my good feelings. I am creating. I am creation. I am an expression of the divine. I am thinking and creating. I am in harmony with my creations. I am in harmony with the whole of who I am. I am on the path of my hopes and dreams. I am allowing who I really am to shine through this physical form. I am performing mastery. I am non-resistant. I am flowing like water. I am light-hearted. I am fun and funny. I am free. I am flowing freedom. I am enjoying life. I am enjoying the journey. I am focused. I am intentional. I am in motion. I am energy. I am clear. I am connected. I am clarity. I am clear with my thoughts. I am clear with my words. I am clear with my actions. I am clear with my intentions. I am happy. I am attractive. I am beautiful. I am fit.
Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.